well, the video ended, so yeah. Alright, we were stupid. We used measuring with this when we were supposed to measure it with this. Okay, I'm a blonde, she's a blonde, so don't make fun of us, okay? We're still smarter than guys. Yes.
Most guys can't cook at all.
Yes!
Actually, I think quite a few guys can cook. Unfortunately, that just makes us look stupider.
Yeah.
We shall have some epically peanut buttery cookies.
Yes. Go for peanut butter. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Her dog is probably very mad at me right now.
Yes. Poor puppy. You puppy murderer.
He's not dead. Just
Yeah, well,
mad.
his jaw hurts. He never yikes whenever I kick him by accident or anything. But he yikes! Uh-oh, phone call. Kitty, can you pull these?
Yes, I can.
Yes, thank you. Don't let it fall. Alright, it's my grandmother. We have to hurry up before this video ends. Whoa!
You're not going to answer the phone to your grandmother?
Not right now. Did we throw the peanut butter jar away?
Yes, we did. Would you like it back?
No, thank you.
It's capped.
Is it?
Yes. You think I would throw it in there without capping it first? Simply because you said so?
You people don't see this, okay? We're not trash pickers. Okay, seriously, it's okay, because it was lying on top of like a bag that wasn't dirty at all. Yeah.
Nothing in her house is ever dirty. Her mom does not like dirt or dog hair.
My mom hates dog hair. I don't give a crap about my reputation. No moderation. See, I said crap. She says a different word.
We're good girls. We don't say that word.
Yes. Unless we're talking about holding back water, kind of.
D-A-M.
Yes.
Hold bien.
Yes. Alright, we do not tell my mother about this.
Your mother will freak.
Yes. Station.
Don't let your mother watch the video either.
Hi, Mom, that won't ever watch this. You look at this time.
Are we going to use it again?
No, we're keeping the knife this time. My mom will be asking, why is there so many knives in this thing? Because we licked them all. Alright, we probably need to empty that in a minute. Alrighty then. So, a half a cup, well, whole cup of brown sugar.
Nuts! Dry stuff comes last, remember. Wet stuff, then eggs, then dry stuff.
This is why I need her. Alright. So, we basically just mix this together. Okay.
Alright.
Reputation. Don't I sing so lovely? Our old mixer died. Now we have to have this. It looks weird.
It's the whale mixer.
Woo! I have no idea what that is.
Means it looks like a whale.
Hey, it sort of does. Wait, I should probably plug these in first and then plug in
Probably.
into the socket. I've been electrocuted once already.
You have?
Yes. I stuck a paperclip in a socket.
How old were you?
I was 100. I died.
She's on her second life.
I reincarnated.
Reincarnated.
Yes.
Reincarnated? That's a creepy word. I don't like that word. Reincarnated.
Because reincarnation is not true. Let's hear it for Jesus! Woo! Go, Jesus! Jesus loves you. Now, whenever you go into a mall, you scream out before you exit and then run because the security guards will probably chase after you because this country hates Jesus now. It is terrible. Well, the government does.
Government does not necessarily hate Jesus. Certain people in the government, we are not stereotyping.
She's my lawyer. Butter and the milk and the dog food. It looks like dog food. Let's hear it for dog food! Woo! And I'm making you sick. Roasted egg. I shall put the camera in its resting place. Woo! Let's hear it for rightful places!
Do you think it's going to be sitting up? Do you know why the chef got arrested?
Why did the chef get arrested?
He was caught beating an egg. It was horrible.
How dare he!
It was on the front page this morning. It's terrible.
It's terrible.
It is. It's such a sad story.
Yes, it is!
It was covered by the local and non-local news.
Do you like to crack eggs?
Salmonella is on the outside of the egg. Did you know that?
Huh?
Salmonella is actually on the outside, so you can actually eat cookie dough without getting sick. Did you know that?
Yes! Now I can lick the thing afterwards. Do you like to crack eggs?
I would not, because last time I did that, I was arrested for beating an egg.
It was you! It was her. This was.
I'm ashamed.
Well, that was probably the best time I ever cracked an egg. Because, literally, thank you.
Show!
I suck at cracking eggs.
See?
Yes.
She uses Eggland's Best.
I don't even know what that is.
It's a brand of eggs, Lacey.
Okay.
We're advertising, they better pay us for that.
Yes! Yes! You better pay us. We would like $100 in cash, please. Each finger, each body part we have, yes. See?
Plus every freckle on her face deserves $100.
Yes. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the fingernail, count the finger, count whatever that is, knuckle. I don't think that's my knuckle, but oh well. Count the dead skin cells that I can't see.
In short, they owe us about $100 billion.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now to beat the eggs.
We are on the wrong side of the law. Don't tell anyone.
You're witnessing the murder of 2 eggs. I don't think it's recording anymore. No, never mind, it is. Forget it. Better still keep recording. I deleted 100-some pictures on there. By the way, I have 700-some pictures and videos. I need to delete some stuff.
Peanut butter. Now the dry ingredients.
Wait, might come this time back.
Oh goodness! Shrapnel! That is all that remains of the 2 eggs we murdered.
We're sorry, Charlotte and Charlie.
Who are Charlotte and Charlie?
The 2 eggs.
Oh.
Well, I think those are their names. I couldn't really hear from them screaming when we were mixing them.
We're horrible human beings. What dry ingredients do we need? Pull yourself together.
Sugars.
Where
I
are
told you need to mix them together. It says right here.
In a separate bowl, and then you dump them into here, and then you... No.